What's up guys, so what you're looking at right now is the first look at the OnePlus 8. Yes, the OnePlus 7T Pro is not even announced yet and we already have the leak for their next generation flagship. What? As I said before, these are confusing times. The source behind this is the one and only OnLeaks. He shared the actual images based on the official factory CAD details, and this is how the next big thing from OnePlus will look like. And right off the bat you can notice the biggest change on the front, which is the hole punch display. Samsung was right all along. There's a reason why they didn't do the pop-up camera setup for their flagship devices, cause that was not the answer. The hole punch design was the right thing to do, which is why we now have OnePlus going for this as well. So it's gonna be one of the first non-Samsung phones on the market to have a hole punch OLED panel. It's gonna be a 6.5-inch large display with curves as well. I mean, this whole year Samsung was the only company that released a hole punch OLED display. I honestly think that Samsung is behind this tech. They were behind with the display for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So it's quite possible that they're once again doing the display for the OnePlus 8 and bringing the hole punch design. Similar to OnePlus 8, a lot of other devices from Huawei and other manufacturers are expected to come with a hole punch display with OLED as well. So next year is going to be a hole punch year, at least the first half, based on this leak. As for the design from the back, it looks very similar to the current OnePlus generation, but it will have one feature that we have never seen on OnePlus devices before, and that is the wireless charging. The source has revealed that OnePlus 8 will be the first OnePlus phone to have wireless charging capabilities. As far as the back design is concerned, it's looking very similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro. We got the same button placement as well, and sadly no headphone jack. Once again, it's not returning ever again. So yeah, that's all with the OnePlus 8. It's very shocking that before the announcement of the OnePlus 7T Pro, we have the OnePlus 8 leak coming out. You guys remember OnLeaks? He leaked the iPhone 11 way back, so it's quite possible that this could be the final OnePlus 8 device. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this. And if you guys don't know already, the iPhone 11 Pro giveaway is live on the channel. Link is in the description for that.